To create your weekly or bi-weekly plans, start by answering a few short questions. Your curriculum, age group, and subject will automatically be filled in. Next, enter the topics you'll be teaching. You can input multiple topics. Then, specify how many lessons you'll teach within this time frame. Once you're ready, click Generate and your plans will be created in about 30 seconds. When your plans appear, take a moment to review all the lesson information. If something is missing or you'd like to add more detail, you can easily control the content using the Regenerate bar. Simply describe the information you'd like to include and click Regenerate. Your updated plans will appear in just a few seconds. Once you're happy with the results, you can export your plans in your preferred document format or copy and paste the information directly into your school's planning template. And don't forget, explore our other AI tools designed to save you hours of planning and preparation time while helping you create high-quality lessons with ease.